Oh, you want a tummy rub? Good morning, little girl.
Whispers in the morning, whispers wakes me up. I can hear your words still, whispers that you're mine. I don't need anyone to tell me that you're not. 'Cause when you whisper to me, darling, I can't get enough.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, look at that morning light behind me, isn't it lovely? Today's video is a little morning routine. I've done a few morning routines in the past, but I realised I've never done one for like my typical working day. Whenever I film a morning routine, it's always on a weekend. It's always very luxurious and slow paced. Not really the vibe we're going for today. If you guys are new to my channel, basically I do this full time. So I create YouTube videos, Instagrams, things like that. So I work from home. I would say I work 6 days a week, so I have Sundays off, but Monday to Saturday I'm filming, editing, planning, all that jazz. So I haven't got time to dilly-dally. I think one part of being self-employed is you've got to stay motivated, you've got to get yourself up in the morning, you've got to stick to a schedule. I plan my week quite thoroughly, so I know exactly what I'm doing every single day, and most days I get up, I get going, and you've got to crack on with life, haven't you? So I've gotten up this morning, done my usual, had a little cup of tea, let the dog out, give her breakfast. I've just come up and got dressed. I don't really shower in the morning on a weekday, to be honest, because I like to just get going quickly, and if I get in the shower I'm in there for like half an hour performing a full concert to the O2 Arena. I'm definitely more of an evening shower kind of person. Let me know in the comments down below actually, do you shower in the morning or the evening or both? I'm definitely an evening kind of gal, unless I'm treating myself on the weekend. So now we're all up to date and I'm not in my pyjamas anymore. Let's crack on with the rest of my morning routine before I get on with my work for the day. Alrighty then, welcome to my bathroom. Like I mentioned, I don't shower in the morning on a work day, but I am really passionate about looking after my skin, so I do always make time for a little skincare routine in the morning. Sometimes I'll do a really in-depth routine, sometimes it's a bit more fast-paced. Today we're going for the quick skincare routine because I've got a lot of work to crack on with later. And this section of the vlog is very kindly sponsored by the lovely team over at St. Ives. St. Ives have recently launched a range of face scrubs. I've been testing out specifically the Gentle Scrub and I'm absolutely loving using it in the morning. So I'm going to show you guys what I do, show you my little routine, and if you've been on the hunt for a new face scrub, you're in the right place. So there are 4 face scrubs in the range, and like I mentioned, I've been testing out the Gentle one. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. We all know I'm a neutrals queen. This is the oatmeal scrub and mask. It's a 2-in-1. You can use it as a scrub or you can use it as a nourishing mask. As it is an exfoliating product, I don't use it every single morning. I would say I use it about 3 or 4 times a week, but it's very gentle, it's easy to use, it's a really good quick pick-me-up product. But if you didn't know, oatmeal was really calming for your skin. I've seen a lot of people using actual oats on their face in their skincare routine. The formulations of the entire new range of face scrubs is 91% naturally derived. It's made from 100% natural extracts and exfoliants to buff away dull skin, and it's dermatologist tested and oil, paraben and cruelty free. And I'm going to show you how I use it. Let's go. I tied my hair back for this section, so I do excuse the egg vibes, but first of all you want to use the product on damp skin. I just wet a little face cloth and dampen my skin with it. A little goes a long way with this, so you only need like a very small amount. And then I put it on my face and in circular motions I just press very gently, which wakes up your skin's natural circulation, get the blood flowing. Don't forget your chinny chin chin. And then in the evening sometimes if I use this scrub as a mask, at this point I'll leave it on for like 5 minutes and then rinse it off. But we're keeping things short and sweet this morning, so I've just wet the face cloth again and you're just going to rinse it off. Pat your face dry with a towel. And my face now feels so refreshed. There are 4 different scrubs available, so you've got my favourite one, which is the most gentle of the collection. If you're looking for a little bit more exfoliation, this one will be perfect for you. This is the Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub. Or if you prefer a deeper exfoliation, there's 2 more options for you. So there's the Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This is possibly my favourite scent. Or if you want some deep exfoliation but you struggle with blemishes, St. Ives have got you covered with the Blemish Control Scrub. There's a link in the description down below. Go and check them out. I would genuinely really highly recommend these scrubs. And I'm now going to crack on with the rest of my skincare routine. So I like to moisturise a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of eye cream because my eyes look incredibly tired this morning. I blame having a puppy. I can't even say that. She sleeps so well. She sleeps better than me. And I'm going to take a little bit of moisturiser to keep my skin hydrated. A little bit of glowy serum because it is springtime now. And that, my loves, is my morning skincare routine complete. I'm going to go downstairs and have breakfast now because I like to let my skincare set in while I have my breakfast. If I can help it, I don't put my makeup on straight away. I like to let it soak in. It's a really lovely sunny day today, so for my breakfast I'm going to have something quite light. This is actually my favourite breakfast ever. Obviously, I mean, I love a fry-up or a scrambled egg on a weekend, but on a weekday, I ain't got the time for that, or the effort, quite frankly. So today I'm going to have my absolute standard. This is my favourite yoghurt ever. Excuse the dog sausages in the background. And I'm just going to chop up a banana and put some blueberries on the top. Takes literally 2 minutes, if that, and it's refreshing on a nice warm day. The vibes in this morning routine are just immaculate this morning. When I was in school, I never used to eat breakfast, but now I couldn't start my day without it. So weird how your body changes like that. I remember in the morning I couldn't even stomach an apple before school. I just didn't feel like it. Looking back, probably anxiety related. Oh my god, look at these hefty blueberries. Look at the size of him. Oh, it's like a mum and a baby one. Delicious.
When you say I don't need anyone but you.
Does anyone else have a task that they hate doing in the morning? For me, it's brushing my teeth. Obviously, I always do it, but I just hate it. I don't even know why. Right, the next job of the morning is to tackle this monstrosity. I actually love making the bed though. I find it really satisfying. I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't always do my makeup on a work day, to be honest. It depends what work I'm doing. So if I've got a day of editing, there is no point wearing makeup because no one's gonna see me. I'll literally be sat in my office all day long. But since I've been doing the weekly vlogs, I have been wearing like very minimal makeup a bit more often because obviously I'm vlogging most days, and I am gonna be vlogging this afternoon. So I'm gonna do my little face of makeup now. It's very quick. I've got it down to about 15 minutes doing this face of makeup, which I'm very proud of. Probably my quickest makeup routine ever. It's literally concealer, bronzer, blusher, highlight, brows, bit of powder and mascara, and that's it. But it makes me feel better, it makes me feel more confident, and obviously when I'm picking up the camera every day I've got to edit that back at some point. So my skin's all prepped and I'm going to do my makeup. By the way, while I do my makeup I always watch a bit of Kendall Ray. I love Kendall Ray. She's one of my favourite YouTubers. She makes true crime videos. Today I'm watching the Pizza Bomber bank robbery. This video is half an hour long though, so I'm probably not going to get to see the end of it. I like something to listen to while I'm getting my makeup done in the morning. Although I've got a lot of work to get on, so I'm rushing, so I never hear the end of the stories.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
Very simple makeup complete. That took me 18 minutes. Postman arrived, so that added a few minutes. But I'm now just going to brush through my hair, and I'm just going to clip it up. Where's my clip? Here it is on the floor. I'm just going to clip it up today because I don't need to do anything spectacular with it. I just want it out my face really. My favourite ever hair clip broke. Look at it. It's stuck like that. I'm going to have to buy another one because I miss it. Ta-da! Looking a whole lot more presentable than I was when I first woke up this morning. Well, a whole lot. A little bit. I'm about to take Sunny out for her morning walk. I would say I'll walk her for about half an hour in the morning. If I've got a lot to get done, I'll drive down to the park and just throw the ball for her quite a lot because it gets a lot of her energy out and it tires her out for a good couple of hours when we get home. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Literally going to go down there, chuck the ball, she's going to get knackered and then she'll come back and sleep and I can get on with stuff. But something I've learned since having Sunny is how much I love being outside in nature, getting a bit of exercise. I mean, I'm not an exercise queen. I don't really do any workouts. By I don't really, I mean I don't do any workouts. I do not enjoy the gym. I just don't enjoy exercising for the sake of exercising. But when you're walking a dog, you're not really thinking about the exercise, you're doing it for the dog. Yesterday I did 14,000 steps, and before I had Sunny that would not have occurred in my life ever. But now it's like a regular. I would say I average between 8,000 and 10,000 steps a day, and I feel so much better for it. I don't get out of breath on our walks anymore. Having a dog really gives you a purpose to get out into the fresh air, start the day off right, and I think it's really good for your mind as well to sort of set yourself up, think about what you've got to do for the day ahead.
When the river is calling, I said I love you forever. We can make it together.
we've just gotten back from our walk. I changed my hair into this ponytail because the clip wasn't staying in. I don't think it's big enough for my hair. I've got quite a lot of hair. But Sunny's down here. She's just had a little drink. It's at this point of the day, let me put you on here, where I make myself my morning coffee. Every day I ponder cappuccino or iced latte, and almost every day I pick cappuccino, so that's what I'm going to do this morning. The way I make my coffees is so simple. I do have a coffee machine, but I don't like the cappuccinos it makes, so instead I use these ones from a packet. If any baristas watching this, they are absolutely screaming at their screen, but they're honestly so good. So sachet into the mug. The mug summarises my entire life. I add 2 sugars to my coffee because I have the taste buds of a child when it comes to hot drinks. I long for the day that I don't have sugar in my tea because I feel like I'll be a proper adult then. Next up, boil the kettle. Da 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 da. Sprinkle a little bit of chocolate powder on the top. Whoops, that was an accident. And cappuccino is complete for the morning. Are you coming upstairs with me today? She is absolutely going to be a hindrance rather than a help, but never mind. This way. Good girl. Oh, I see you've been having fun with the Amazon box. And here we are in my office, ready to start my working day. I've got my laptop. I've got my coffee over there to keep me going. I've got quite a bit of editing to do today and a few deadlines to sort out, so it's going to be a busy day. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I want to say a big thank you again to St. Ives for very kindly sponsoring this video. Don't forget guys, if you're interested in any of the face scrubs, there's a link in the description down below. Do subscribe to see my future videos. I upload weekly vlogs every Sunday morning. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.